We're gonna go see what Sutherlands has in their garden center because they're having a sale in the morning. We're gonna see if we want to come. That's fake mango. What? Not enough. Not enough ice. Don't you like them? Huh?
What do you do with them?
Put them on your couch. My grandma used to have a... They're really soft though for this type of blanket. I think the kids need one for their beds. Uh-oh. Is this the only organic one they have? They're 30% off. They got beef steaks.
Oh, I don't have any peppers either.
Bell pepper? There's organic bell pepper right there. Bloop. California Wonder. I think that's what we planted last year.
Tender peach. It's 50, so it'll be like 25 bucks.
It's a big tree. We found the herbs.
Mom, she found something.
Oh, great. Okay, great. It's gonna be really hard not to buy herbs today. Apple mint. Apple mint.
Creeping Tom.
Ooh, lavender. Ooh, I love the thyme. I heard that you can plant this thyme and you can actually, like, it'll spread rapidly and you can step on it and stuff. I was wanting to plant that in the kids' garden.
There's succulent. Your second favorite.
I think we need a buggy. Don't we?